Hello and welcome to Gradient's weekly roundup of key news and activities in the FMCG industry in Sri Lanka for the week ending 19th October 2021. I'm Nishani Figuera. Let's first have a look at this week's top stories. BOI and Danone discuss sustainable organic farming. Prices adjust higher as maximum retail price removed. IFC issues its first-ever Rupee-Denominated Bond. We will also look at movement of key FMCG industry-related indicators and notable company news that made it across to our news desk. Sanjay Mohottala, chairman of the Board of Investments, held a discussion with multinational food products company Danone on what was described as generating transformational initiatives through sustainable organic farming. Mohottala met Danone in Paris to present Sri Lanka's ambition to be self-sufficient in dairy through the establishment of large-scale dairy enterprises capable of spearheading support for medium-sized dairy farms. The BOI also anticipates this would empower over 230,000 cottage industries in the country, generating additional income. It was stated that owing to Danone sharing a common vision with Sri Lanka, the company has also renewed their commitment to deploying and accelerating transformational programs through sustainable organic farming. The government relaxed the maximum retail price placed on several items, which will push already high food inflation further up. On food items, hikes ranged between 5 to 10 rupees, whilst gas prices increased between 393 and 1,257 rupees. Following such action, Laughs Gas plc stated that it looked forward to returning to profitability after years of losses, noting that for the 3 months ended on the 30th of June 2021, net loss at its energy business was 539 million rupees, up from 183 million rupees a year earlier. Advocata, a Colombo-based research tank, welcomed the removal of price controls, stating, "Price controls create distortions such as shortages, rationing and the creation of a black market as well as substitution towards low-quality alternatives. Although price controls are often introduced by governments with the intention of protecting the poorest consumers in society, they are very inefficient as means of redistribution." The private sector of the World Bank, the International Finance Corporation, issued a debt instrument classified as Serendi Bond, IFC noting that it is a significant milestone towards ensuring that the private sector has access to long-term offshore financing in local currency while hedging foreign exchange risks at a critical time. Proceeds from IFC's $5 million equivalent bond will finance Sunshine Consumer Lanka Limited, a subsidiary of Sunshine Holdings plc's domestic confectionery supply chain. Up next is the weekly FMCG sub-indices performance. Workers' remittances declined to $353.2 million in September 2021, a 50% drop year-on-year. As a result, remittances year-to-date decreased to $4.6 billion, down 10% year-on-year. As we previously mentioned, it is likely that the current USD LKR exchange rate of 203 rupees per USD range fixed in September is compelling overseas workers to use alternative channels offering a higher rate to remit their funds into the country. However, officials are of the view that the inflows would start normalizing from October as the gap between grey market rates and the official rates are narrowing fast. Workers' remittances is a key indicator we track as a material number of households in the country are dependent on such inflows for their monthly consumption. Moving on to corporate news, CIC Agri Businesses introduced 2 biofertilizer products for the tea and vegetable sector. Biofertilizers are specialty products that are used to provide plants nutrients with the help of beneficial microorganisms. Staying in agriculture, Bowers shared insights and solutions on the conversion from conventional to organic farming. A key learning was that the conversion without using synthetic fertilizers cannot function by only replacing mineral fertilizers with organic fertilizers. Uplands Tea Factory, Galaha, received 1,140 rupees per kilogram on a PEC 1 grade in the Western Medium category at the e-auction. The purchaser was Vintage Tea Ceylon and it was auctioned by mercantile produce brokers. The factory is managed by P. Saravanmuthu Reddy and Sons Limited. Corporate leader Suresh Kumar Shah has been appointed as the founding chairman of grocery tech platform Provido.shop. Provido.shop is an online grocery and household products marketplace. Additionally, the company has an integrated back-end including its very own delivery fleet. Provido.shop's founders include Sri Lankan cricket legends Kumar Sangakkara and Mahela Jayawardene. And that's a wrap for this week. Don't forget to check out our weekly business roundup published every Friday at 7:30 a.m. Do subscribe to our YouTube channel, Gradient Alliance, for regular weekly updates. Until we see you next time, stay safe.